SOTSEF is back.
The Southampton Science and Engineering Festival has returned for a 10-day celebration of science, technology, engineering, the arts, mathematics and medicine.
From Friday the 5th to Sunday the 14th of March, you'll meet researchers and artists, talk about the most pressing issues we're currently facing, and immerse yourself in art experiments and DIY creations from the safety of your home.
Wherever you are in the world,
you are just one click away from us.
Start your journey at sotsef.co.uk.
日常外语与地區科能學呀，來吧，一起探索神奇。
Sora ka'i chopụta ihe dị omimi.
Ar mynach ani, dar ganfurach I anhygoel.
Mach mit und entdecke das Unglaubliche.
Ακολουθήστε μας. Ανακαλύψτε το καταπληκτικό.
Unisciti a noi e scopri l'incredibile.
आइए मिलकर हैरत अंगेज दरियाफ्त करें.
Únete a nosotros y descubre lo increíble.
हमारे साथ शामिल हो, हैरत अंगेज दरियाफ्त करें.
Join us and discover the amazing.